Hello students, class 12. Today from book with stars chapter 5, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Okay. It's composed by written by John Updike. It is from book with stars stories, and in this story, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? It is in this story having story telling by a little girl's father. Okay. So, means wizard. It is the story of a wizard who have done whatever means for a rogue skunk. In this story, a father was telling a story to his daughter who was 2 years old, and her name was Jo. And he used to telling a story daily, different topics. Means afternoon time during the time of her naps. Okay. And in this story means writer want to show that whatever difficult thinking and different quality of the children's when faced by parents, and whatever parents opinion and whatever their children's opinion, it's if not going to match, what happened then. Okay. Means it's writer want to means realize the parents by the through of this story. Okay. And in this story, let's come in the story. Means Jack was the father of Jo and Bobby. Jack have 2 kids. Means the name of daughter was Jo and a son Bobby. And his wife was pregnant of her 3rd child. 6 months become over. And means Jack trying to means nap the babies, trying to controlling the babies on that time by the through of telling stories. On that day was so special day, Saturday Eve. Okay, Saturday is special day because next day Sunday. So, and on that Saturday Eve, he used to start the story of means about a wizard and rogue skunk. He had listened in his childhood days about in his stories one common character is rogue. Means rogue either means is having any bird, animal or chipmunk. Okay. And then he had started the story. Means on that story, rogue skunk a very little, there, and he was in his bad smell, and no one is like, and everyone means go far away, no one is play with him, and he was become very sad. And on that day means जब कभी भी किसी को प्रॉब्लम आती थी उसकी स्टोरी में जैक के, तो लोग एक बुद्धिमान उल्लू के पास जाते थे, वाइज आउल, और वाइज आउल जो था वो सजेशन देता था जाने के लिए एक विजार्ड के पास. विजार्ड मीन्स मैजिशियन, जादूगर. ओके, वो उसके पास भेजता था. तो विजार्ड उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करता था, 7 पेनीज लेता था उसके लिए. ठीक है. तो जैसे भी स्टोरी को सुनाता था उसमें कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन रहता था. तो आज की जो स्टोरी जैक की है उसमें उन्होंने लिया है कि रोगर स्कंक है जो बहुत ही बदबूदार प्राणी है, मीन्स क्रिएचर है, उसको कोई लाइक नहीं करता है. फिर उसके बाद वो बहुत ही सैड होता है, रोने लगता है. तो वाइज आउल के पास जाता है कि मुझे कोई प्यार नहीं करता, मेरे साथ कोई खेलता नहीं है. तो वाइज आउल उसको सजेशन देता है कि तुम जाओ विजर्ड के पास, विजर्ड तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे. तो विजर्ड ने उसकी स्मेल को चेंज कर दिया. उन्होंने पूछा कि किस स्मेल का तुम बनना चाहते हो, तो उसने कहा मुझे रोज स्मेल का बना दीजिए. तो वो रोजी सेंटेड स्मेल में हो गया. और इसके बाद उसने पूरे दिन खेला, लोग उसके साथ खेले, एंजॉय किया उसने. और रात को पहुंचा, देर तक खेला उसने उस दिन. और उसकी मदर जैसे ही वो देखती है और वो उसकी स्मेलिंग से उसको पहचान नहीं पाती, उसके बाद पूछती है तुम्हारा ये किसने किया, तो उसने बताया कि मेरी स्मेल को विजर्ड ने चेंज किया। और उसकी मदर बहुत ही गुस्सा होती है, बिकॉज मदर्स लाइक हर बेबीज एज इट इज ऑन मीन्स दियर इंडिविजुअल पर्सनल टेस्ट एंड फिगर, क्योंकि उसकी मदर को अपने बच्चा जो था वो उसी कंडीशन में बहुत ही अच्छा था, ठीक है। तो इसलिए वो उसको कहती है चलो विजार्ड के पास, और वो अम्ब्रेला लेके विजार्ड के पास जाती है, उसको हिट करती है, मारती है, और उसके बाद कहती है कि मेरे बच्चे को फिर से उसी कंडीशन में करो जैसा वो था, मुझे वैसा ही चाहिए। ओके, तो ये कहानी सुनने के बाद जो थी वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हुई, एग्री नहीं हुई। उसने कहा उसकी मॉम को ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, और उसने ये भी कहा कि फादर आप नेक्स्ट डे जो स्टोरी सुनाइएगा उसमें ऐसा सुनाइएगा कि उस विजर्ड को उसकी मम्मी को हिट करना चाहिए ऐसा करने के लिए। ओके, एंड दैट इज नॉट एग्रीड बाय जैक आल्सो। जैक बिकम एंग्री ऑन दैट। ओके, means after that whatever story I have told, means Roger Skunk went to the wizard, and then wizard have after taken pennies changed the smell into roses, and after playing the whole day he went at home, and his mother become angry, and she also returned back to wizard, and she become much more hyper on him and hitting him for this whatever effort he have done. And then wizard have changed Roger Skunk again on his condition, and after that means after listening the whole story, the conclusion of Joe is that means whatever Roger's mummy have done, it is not means good, it not should be. She should be agree with the rosy smell of little skunk, but father have that wish that means children should be obedient. They should obey whatever means their parents were saying, their parents were doing, because they will always do for the goodness of their children. But means Joe have no means satisfaction about it, and she have told to his her father that means next day means must he will tell the story that means wizard should hit the mommy. Okay, means it is the, you can say, contrast opinion of Joe towards their parents, and Jack's also opinion with the mummy, but Joe's opinion with the Roger Skunk. Okay, in this way the sum up of this chapter we can say that means children's opinion may be different by growing the age, means parents and children's opinion may be different, they should compromise with it. Okay, and after that Jack have told means to go to sleep, and he always came downside for helping his wife who was painting the walls that time, and Jack became so tired, feeling tired on that day, and he was unable to cooperate his wife and helping his wife, and he went for the sleep, he go to sleep, means it is the ending of this story. So students, means the moral of this story is that parents should compromise with the feeling of their children, and they should cooperate them, and children also should be cooperate their parents. They should always think means for the favor of their parents. Okay, that's all. Thanks.